In this video, I'll show you how to freeze frame on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to freeze the frame for. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the frame that we want to freeze. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to cut this out here and this frame. Let's assume we want to freeze this frame. So what's gonna happen is, as it's going here, we're gonna freeze it to the end. Now you can select the frame that you want to freeze. We're gonna go to the top navigation and we're gonna click on edit. And under edit, when we scroll down, we're gonna see add freeze frame. We're gonna click on add freeze frame, and you can see a new freeze frame has been added. Now you can adjust the duration of the freeze frame right here. Once you click on the freeze frame, you see it says 3 seconds 12 milliseconds here. Now once you adjust the duration of the freeze frame, you click on it again, you see now it says 8 seconds and 43 milliseconds. And you can do that. Now that's how to freeze frame on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.